In today's video, you're going to get to see a beautiful 2016 Mustang. Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to a young man. His name is Thomas. Thomas owns a 2016 Mustang. It has the 5-speed manual gearbox with Ecoboost as well. He's done some modifications and plans to do many more. What makes this young man special is that he's a newcomer to Canada. He wanted this car. This is in fact his dream car, and he has worked very hard, working multiple jobs just so he could save up enough money to own this car, and it's easy to understand why. So without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive, and let's check out this beautiful 2016. Okay, yeah. Thomas, rev the engine, sir. All right, and honk the horn. Beautiful. Turn her off, come on out. I love your color.
Thanks, man.
It's beautiful. Okay, tell me what you have here.
So, it's a 2016 Ford Mustang Premium Ecoboost with the performance pack, and it has got a track differential lock as well. And it's a stick shift 6-speed manual transmission, and that's what I call a proper car.
2016.
Yeah,
it looks brand new.
Thank you.
Wow, you've looked after this car. How long have you had the car?
I just got it 3 months before this car, and after that I did some tweaks on it, like detailing and ceramic coating and all that stuff. That's come through the cosmetic. And apart from that, I was planning some mechanical upgrades as well.
Yes.
Probably a tuner or a exhaust, performance exhaust.
Good for you.
So yeah, that's on the pipeline as well.
So now, are you planning to drive this thing in the winter as well, Thomas?
Sometimes I do drive in the winters. Actually, I enjoy the winters because being a rear-wheel drive, we can do the drift and all that stuff.
Bet you can.
So yeah, I enjoy driving in the winters as well.
So Thomas, you're a young guy, and this is a very appealing car to a young guy. Why did you want to get the Mustang?
Well, Mustang, as we all know, it's a cult thing. It's a more of a passion thing, and the way this thing handles is incredible. The way it picks up the speed, the way it goes, everything about this car is a dope thing.
Good for you. So did you have other car options in mind? Like, were you thinking Camaro, or was it always going to be the Mustang?
Well, I was considering Camaro. It was a very close call, to be honest. Yes. It was a very tough call as well. I was confused between a Mustang or a Challenger or Camaro. But in the end, I decided to go with this one.
Now, the rims on this car, are they the original stock rims that came with the car?
It's a stock performance package rims. It comes only with the performance package.
Okay.
And even the brakes are also the performance ones.
Really?
Yeah. So it's not the regular brakes. It's a performance, yeah.
Very nice. So what are you planning for the future, my friend? What else do you want to do to it? You want to soup up the engine a little bit more?
Yeah, little bit of horsepower and maybe a sound. Maybe I'm going to put a performance exhaust on the same. And that's on my wish list.
Slowly but steady, right?
Slowly but steady, we're gonna go.
Time and money.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, how long have you been in Canada?
Around 1.5 years in Canada.
Wow.
I arrived in November 21.
Right.
And Mustang was always one of my dreams.
Is that the reason you came to Canada to get the Mustang?
Well, yeah. One of the primary reasons to come to Canada was to buy a dream car. So
Good for you. Oh, I'm so happy for you. This is amazing. Is this really your first car?
This is my first car, which I bought from my own money. So
you know what? Congratulations.
Thank you.
I did the same thing years ago. My first car was a Trans Am. And I fell in love with that car, and everything just went from there. So beautiful. Wow, good for you. I am so happy for you that you found a start and that you're doing something that you love, and hopefully you can add things to it slowly.
Well, this is not the first, this is first car, but certainly not the least.
Right.
So many more to come. as well.
So what else is on your wish list for the future?
The dream, like on my wish list, Corvette
Oh, yes.
and Mustang Shelby GT500.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh,
yes,
man,
good
that's
call.
the bad things.
Yes, you've got it. Oh,
Yeah.
this is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I love the color on this thing.
Thank you.
Can I take a look at the engine?
For sure.
This is the stock engine, right?
This is a stock engine, yeah.
So Thomas, when you got the car,
Yeah.
how many kilometers did it have?
It was like 130k kilometers
Okay.
on it, and I also did some 7 to 8k kilometers post buying it.
In the
But
last 3 months or
the
so?
last 3 months, I'm driving it like crazily,
I bet.
and the engine is in the absolute best shape. Like, it's going really fine.
Good for you. Good for you. Who's doing the mechanical work? Are you trying to do some of it, or you're...
Well, back home when I had the machines, I used to take care of it myself. Like
Really?
if I have the motorcycle, I'm gonna do it service, the basic maintenance myself. So yeah, I'm learning gradually,
Good for
like how
you.
to do with the, because I like that's more of a passion thing to work on your own car.
So when you say back home and motorcycles, which India, I'm assuming,
Yeah.
and Royal Enfields?
Yes,
Oh, my
absolutely. I got
favorite.
a
Oh,
Desert
yes.
Storm 500cc.
Oh, good
That's
for you.
also one of the cult machines. Like,
Nice. That's excellent.
That's one of the limited editions.
Right. Very good.
All right, Tom.
I'm happy so, you were saying that you used to fix certainly motorcycles and things back in India.
Yeah.
You fixed cars too, or mostly bikes?
Mostly bikes. I was more inclined towards the motorcycles because I wanted these kind of cars which was not accessible in the Indian market.
Right.
Like we can, if even if it's accessible, it's like we have a 200% taxation back home.
Really?
So it used to cost like a bomb. We cannot afford these kind of cars. So
Okay.
I wasn't interested much in cars back home because of like the cars which I like I cannot buy.
Absolutely.
So obviously.
So there's a good reason to come to Canada so you can
Yeah,
buy a car
absolutely.
like this. Good for you.
Yeah. So.
Oh, it's lovely.
So-
Can I look at the trunk? See
Yeah,
how much
for sure.
space? Yeah.
So this is basically its trunk, and as you can see,
not bad.
it's pretty like a very decent boot space for a sports car.
For sure. Yeah, definitely. I mean, you can get enough stuff there
Enough.
to make it work. May I see inside?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So this is basically the stock.
this is like a performance pack. The dials, as you can see in the middle
I
one,
see.
those are the performance package dials.
Oh, I do like that.
Yeah, those ones only comes with the PP pack upgrade, and these are the like a Fast and Furious ride mode buttons.
Yes.
And this is a stick shift, and I got a miniature car.
Oh, you have to, right? So good for you. My lord, this is actually really nice finish inside.
Yes.
And the seat is very comfortable.
Seat is very comfortable as well. Then if,
So
you,
this
if
has-
you put this button, then the horse logo comes up.
I do like your dials.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
That's
right
what the
there.
cult
This
is all
the
about.
dream, right?
This is a dream.
To see that pony. Fantastic. I love how this says ground speed as well. Very aircraft-like. So good.
Thank
Beautiful. Nice. Okay, so speaking of inside, we should go for a little drive.
For sure.
All right, let's do that. So,
Cool seats.
you have cooled seats.
Yeah.
Get out of here. You have cooled seats in this thing.
Yeah.
A cool car with cool seats.
Heated seats as well.
Oh my God, prices. Okay, let's just do a quick loop around here.
Yeah.
So you love the stick shift. eh?
I love the stick shift.
Yeah.
Without this, a car is not a car.
It's
for
not
me.
the same thing. I
It's
agree.
not a same
Automatic would not do it.
Automatic won't do it. I would buy automatic if I will be old. I cannot
Oh,
drive.
old like me. you
No,
mean?
I
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
drive it.
Oh,
I cannot
really?
drive a regular
Okay.
stick shift car. Then only.
You know, it's actually very smooth ride.
Please, yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's not even looking like it's 130.
No,
Very
no.
good maintained. That guy, right?
Yeah, let's go to the right.
Yeah.
The sound of this is nice.
Yes.
Considering this is all stock,
All stock, and this is like a turbocharged engine.
it feels solid and it feels, I don't know what the word is. Like it's got the power, and it's got the ability to keep control,
Yes.
right?
With the stick shift, you have like a more control over your car.
Definitely. But
No.
it feels like grippy. It's
Yes.
not like it's going to slide everywhere, unless
Yes.
you want it to. I'm sure it does, but I'm sure you've done that a few times too.
Yes, absolutely. Oh shit.
It's surprisingly busy here today. Yeah, I guess we should slow down a little
Yeah.
bit. Yeah, keep going. Oh, I think they're just doing traffic duty.
Yeah.
I don't think it was stop for speeding, but who knows? Okay, we're going to turn
I
right
thought we
here.
are getting pulled over for speed.
That would make a good video, wouldn't it?
That will make a wrong
Yeah,
video.
First we get asked to move,
Yeah.
and now we're going to get stopped for speeding. So yeah.
Yeah. 60. Still, the Mississauga has a very good speed limits. Come to the downtown, you're gonna have a 40 zone speed limits, and even in 40, you cannot drive in downtown.
True. You know what it is though? Like in school areas as well.
Yeah.
They're very, very careful. So we'll turn right back here. Thomas, I see you have so much fun driving this.
Yes.
Thomas, you must have sent tons of photos to your family and friends back in India.
My phone is like filled with the photos and
Yes.
videos.
So you sent it everybody in India.
Yeah,
So look what I'm driving.
I'm like like almost celebrity in India. Like,
I bet
oh
you
man,
are.
that guy would
The
have.
guy's a rock star. Yeah.
This is mostly a celebrity car back home. Like,
Very
oh yeah.
nice. Thomas with the Mustang. Good for you. Good for you. You know what? It's great to have a passion like this. And if you can keep it up, you know, work
Yeah.
hard, do all those things, and, you know, one day you can get your Corvettes and everything else
Oh,
as well.
yeah, this
So
is the first milestone.
there
right?
you go.
Right.
But it's a huge step that you can turn. Oh, you can get a Toyota Corolla if you wanted
Oh,
to. But
oh, never in my life.
let's not get silly, right?
Never in my life.
So this is lovely. Now, would you ever consider a convertible top?
Oh, well, I would consider a hard top.
The next parking lot.
I would consider a hard top because in the soft top it's very difficult to like maintain it. That was my first like concern about a convertible.
And it does get a little bit hot sometimes.
Yeah, and it's like a more of a cloth. So
Yes.
I didn't like the it's a personal taste.
yeah.
The experience is absolutely dope in a convertible. I would, but that cloth thing and to maintain that and. So that was if you go to a track with the convertible, they wanna ask you to wear a helmet
Yes,
and
yes.
so.
Now, is that your plan for this, to go to the track one day?
Absolutely, like I want to like acquire the skills
Right.
to do the track racing,
Good
and
for
then
you.
gonna drive on the track for sure.
Oh, I was going to say, you can
My
friend. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and saying you wanted to show your car. I am so happy I met you today, and I'm so thrilled that you are a young man passionate about cars, and then one day you will get all your dream cars, and hey, if this is your first car in Canada,
Yeah.
there are many, many good things coming your way. So good for you, and I love to see that passion. So thank you.
Thanks, man. Like, thanks for like inviting me and like posting on the social media. Like, okay, let's do it. So it was a very great plan, I would say.
Thank you.
And thank you. Like, I wanted to like feature my car as well.
Good for you.
Thanks for accepting my request.
Oh, my pleasure. And good luck for the future.
Thank you so much.